Would you accept a foreigner who wants a housewife, not a career woman? How can a foreigner tell if he's with the wrong Filipina, someone who might just use him and leave?
Especially in having children, because I think
Housewife or career woman, would you be okay if he controlled major decisions like moving, finances, or having children? Ay, excuse me. Pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Ay, may na-interview ka na? Yes. No po. Okay lang, ulit-ulit. Yeah, thank you so much. Senta ka na interview ba? Tingnan ko na. So, ano ara mo na? Basic English lang. Yeah, take your time. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Glissa and I'm turning 21 this December 19.
And this is your second time here. Okay, well, anyway, thank you for saying yes for the interview. Okay, so here's the very first question. Would you accept a foreigner who wants a housewife, not a career woman?
I think for me, just for my personal opinion, I think no, since I love working and I really don't want to be stuck in house and I really love to explore myself.
Okay. What if he lets you have a career while dating, but after marriage, he wants you to stay home and raise the family while he handles all finances? Would you accept that?
For me, I think at first it's okay, but wait. Kapag nagtagal na, I think it's better for me to have also my own choices and also for him to respect it if he loves me.
What if he promised comfort and luxury?
Hmm?
What if he promised comfort and luxury? Still no?
Well, that's fine.
Or fine.
That's fine, but I will stick to my own opinion and my own decision.
For decision. Oh, what if you have kids? Still, it's not gonna make you stay home, right?
I think it depends on the situation. If the kids are hard to handle, I will just stay at home at first. At first, I really love working. As of now, I am a student, and also I am working at a call center, a BPO company.
Housewife or career woman, would you be okay if he controlled major decisions like moving, finances, or having children?
I think it's fine, but it's okay. It's also okay if he also asks my opinion and also my decision and respect it like that.
How can a foreigner tell if he's with the wrong Filipina, someone who might just use him and leave?
How can I tell? If if the woman is just using him for money and for the luxury, so yeah, that's how I can tell.
What are you studying again, Beth? Sorry.
Yeah. Right now, I'm currently studying major in English at Naga College Foundation.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, YouTube. 5 questions. Okay lang? Thank you. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
Hazel and I'm 19 years old.
Okay, so Hazel, here's the very first question. Would you accept a foreigner who wants a housewife, not a career woman?
Not a career woman. You mean no working? Um, Maybe it's okay, but if the woman wants to work, maybe he should let her work
Okay.
because mm, it's her right, and if she want to, then he should let her work.
Okay. What if he like for example you, okay? What if he lets you have a career while dating, but after marriage he wants you to stay home and raise the family while he handles all, finances. Would you accept that?
It's okay, yeah, it's okay.
Now, housewife or career woman, would you be okay if he controlled major decisions like moving, finances, or having children?
Oh no, it's my right. Especially on children. It's my body. So it's my right.
If your foreign partner decides to live in the Philippines, how would you make him feel comfortable, especially since he won't have friends or family here?
Knowing that Filipino are hospitable, maybe he will um he will adapt naman sooner eh. Dali lang naman makapag-adapt and maybe yeah, it depends on him if he really wanted to.
So the question is, how can you make him comfortable? Yeah, how can you make him comfortable? Like, staying here, living here in the Philippines since he won't have friends, he don't have family here.
I don't really know, but maybe just be always on his side. Yeah, that's it. And just you yourself don't make him uncomfortable knowing that he's in a unfamiliar society.
How can a foreigner tell if he's with the wrong Filipina? Someone who might just use him and leave.
Maybe the purpose of just always like he's using him for money or her using him for money. Um,
Her using him for money.
yeah, there's always a sign. A gold digger woman has a gold digger woman always has a motive, and if you are a man, you should always know that naman siguro. Ano ba yan
she's she's just having difficult. So don't worry about it. You're 19, still in college, Bem.
Yes, first year.
First year. What are you studying?
Tourism management.
Are you single or do you have a partner?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single?
S- since birth.
Excuse me, pwede ka interview? Nag-vlog. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Pwede ka interview? Nag-vlog kami. Ano? Ano lang? 5 questions na lang. Kahit 2 minutes lang din. Super dali. Promise. Go. Ikaw naman sa'yo. Ako yung magsagili. Oo na yan. Promise, dali man lang. What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Leslie and 22 years old.
You're very cute, Leslie. You're welcome. Okay, so Leslie, here's the very first question. Would you accept a foreigner who wants a housewife, not a career woman?
Mm, ma-choose ako dun sa...
Yeah, yes or no?
Yes, of course.
Housewife or career woman, would you be okay if he controlled major decisions like moving, finances, or having children?
For me, pwede taga, sige. For me, it's up to us, like, my decision, dapat agree siya, ganon. My decision is, of course, he agree din. Oh, hindi ka talaga kayo mag...
So you said your decision. So you're not okay if he's the one making the major decisions. No, it should be mutual. Oh,
Both and mutual.
mutual decisions. Okay. So you're not okay him alone doing, making all the decisions. How can a foreigner tell if he's with the wrong Filipina, someone who might just use him and leave?
If she always asks for money, for her luho ba yun? Like material things, like I want this, like that.
You're 22, right, ma'am?
Yes po.
Okay, 22 years old, still in college?
Hindi po. Stop. Nag-stop.
You stop. Okay. Are you working now?
I have a kid.
You're?
A kid po.
Oh, you have a kid. Oh, you're single mom?
Yes po.
Oh, you're 22 years old, single mom. How old is your kid?
5 years old.
5 years old. Okay. So you're just like home?
Yes po.
Oh, you're so okay. Single. How long have you been single?
4 years.
4 years. Would you ever date a foreigner?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Pero kapag wala dito sa Philippines, yung papunta pa lang dito. Kasi lahat ng foreigners baga di parang garo na siya. Like kadakol na siyang bistado.
She said that
Ano?
okay, if she would date a foreigner that is from abroad that never been here in the Philippines, because she wouldn't date someone who's been here in the Philippines for so long, because that means he met Filipinas already, like a lot. He knows a lot already.
So yeah, yes, that's true.
Okay, so okay. May I ask, what is the oldest you would date? The oldest, yung pinakagurang na i-date mo?
Siguro mga 40, but 40.
40 plus above.
I want mature na.
You want matured, okay. Ay, excuse me. Pwede ka mo ma-interview? Kaya 2 minutes lang. Right. Thank you. Ay, excuse me. Pwede ka mo ma-interview? Kahit 2 minutes lang. Opinion man lang, wala man na okay lang. 5 questions man lang, super dali. Okay lang. Opinion man lang, promise. Tamong duwa. Para manabe.
Sige po. Pwedeng palitan kami.
Iyo. Okay lang. Basta dahil lang, bako lang arugan. Bako lang arugan. What are your names and ages?
I'm Kisha. I am 19 years old.
I'm Nicole po. I'm 20 years old.
Okay, so here's the very first question. Would you accept a foreigner who wants a housewife, not a career woman?
Can you repeat it po, ate?
Okay, would you accept a foreigner who wants a housewife, not a career woman? Yes or no?
For me po, no, because I'm very passionate po, especially in my course, and I want a husband who's also who also love my job or future job po in the future.
For me naman po is, I want to enjoy life, but, it's also, I want to be a housewife too po. But,
So that means you would accept him, right? Okay, you would accept a foreigner who wants a housewife, not a career woman. Okay, for you, Be, what if he lets you have a career while dating? Okay, just dating. But after marriage, he wants you to stay home and raise the family while he handles all finances. Would you accept that?
While dating po, yes, but if marriage, for now, especially as a student pa, I don't think that I will enjoy that life po. Because I'm career oriented po talaga.
Career oriented. Okay. How about if he promised comfort and luxury?
Pwede. Ano English na pwede? Ano English na?
You still know?
Maybe yes.
Maybe yes. Okay, so you'll stay home. Okay, for the comfort and luxury.
Yes, yes. Good life.
Housewife or career woman, would you be okay if he controlled major decisions like moving, finances, or having children?
No.
You're not okay with that.
I'm not okay with that because I want it to be 50-50 po.
for me, no then. Because I have my own decision and I want to be free with, all of the things that I wanted to do.
Okay?
Especially in having children, because I think you should both have an equal decision, but I think the woman should have it more because it's her body. But I am not against to those who want the other person to decide.
Okay. If your foreign partner decides to live in the Philippines, how would you make him feel comfortable, especially since he won't have friends or family here?
Can you repeat the question?
How can you make him feel comfortable living here in the Philippines since he doesn't have friends here, he doesn't have his family here?
Introduce slowly the tradition here, the culture here, like that po. Is it okay?
You're both in college, right? What are you studying? Iling na kang bisa camera, Ben.
Nursing.
Nursing.
Both nursing. What year are you now?
Second year.
Second year.
Friends?
Yes. Yes.
How long have you been friends? You know,
Almost 2 years. Almost 2 years.
both singles?
No.
Yes.
You're single. How long have you been single, Be?
3 months. Almost 3 months.
You have a boyfriend?
Yes po, I have.
Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, Be. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection